If you're using a MacBook Air M3 with the latest Mac OS and you want to pair your AirPods, whether it's AirPods 1, 2, 3, Pro, AirPods Max, or even the new AirPods 4 with ANC, let's walk you through how to connect any generation of AirPods to your MacBook M3. So if you've been using your AirPods with another device, first you need to get it to pairing mode. So if your AirPods got buttons, make sure the earbuds are inside and open the lid, and then just press and hold the back button till they start blinking white at the front. Now if it's a 4th gen AirPods without buttons, just open the lid and then double tap under the LED, it will start flashing white. If you're using AirPods Max, press and hold the noise control button while it starts flashing white LED. Now just go ahead, open up Settings to Bluetooth. If your AirPods are properly in pairing mode, it'll pop up under the nearby devices list. When it does, just click on Connect. Apart from that, you can also click on Info to AirPods Settings, and from here you can customize a lot of settings according to your preference. And hey, last but not the least, very important, after everything is done, to avoid any no sound issue, just go ahead and click on the Kernel Center, click on the AirPlay icon beside Sound, and make sure your AirPods are selected as an output device. Also, you can visit Sound Settings. If you want to use your AirPods for phone calls and meetings, make sure it's selected as input device as well. That's how you can connect any AirPods with your MacBook M3. Thanks for watching.